Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Kia key. Many common issues with your Kia key fob can be resolved with simple steps. Often, the problem is a dead battery, which is easy to replace. Other times, physical damage from drops or wear might be the culprit. Occasionally, the key fob might lose its connection to your vehicle, requiring a quick reprogramming. We will cover these solutions to get your key working smoothly again. Replacing the battery is usually the first step. Look for a small button or a slot on the side of your key fob. Press the button or insert a small, flat tool into the slot to gently pry open the casing. Inside, you will find a small, round battery, typically a CR2032. Carefully remove the old battery and insert a new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. Snap the fob back together. After replacing the battery, or if your key fob still isn't working, it might need reprogramming. For many Kia models, you can do this yourself. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, follow the specific instructions for your vehicle's model, which often involves pressing buttons on the fob in a particular sequence to re-establish communication. If you have tried these steps and your Kia key fob still isn't working, it might be time to seek professional help. Persistent issues could indicate more complex internal damage or a faulty transponder chip. A certified automotive locksmith or your local Kia dealership has the specialized diagnostic tools and expertise to properly identify and fix these more intricate problems, or to program a brand new key for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.